this video, I'm going to go through the network information section of the Nutanix cluster questionnaire. First question, is your network currently operational and are all of the ports on the required switches configured? That one's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll go into what we expect in the port configuration really quick. For your management network, those ports should be trunk ports, allowing all necessary VLANs, including hypervisor and CVM VLAN, your vMotion or live migration VLANs if you're using ESXi or Hyper-V, and then any other virtual machine VLANs that you might have. It's also recommended to configure the hypervisor and CVM VLAN as native or untagged on those ports. And it's good to disable spanning tree or enable port fast if you're using Cisco switches or something similar to allow those ports to immediately begin forwarding traffic and skip the learning phase of spanning tree. The make and model of the switches, I'm not going to go into that one. Do the switches have enough ports for the data network? That one goes hand in hand with 41. Do the switches have enough ports, 1G ports to support out-of-band management? So the recommendation is to have 2 ports for your management network per node, and then you'll have 1 port per node for your out-of-band management or IPMI. And then that leads right into the number of network cables and number of transceivers as well. I'm not going to talk about these two really. Cable lengths, same thing there. These ones are all self-explanatory. Will a network engineer be available or on call during the deployment? That's important just because most of the time in a Nutanix deployment, any issues that we run into are mostly network related. So it just helps to save a lot of time if someone's standing by just in case we need them. And then their name and phone number. And finally, after the deployment, is there a way to verify remote connectivity, either Jumpbox, VPN, etc.? We just want to make sure that we can reach the cluster without being directly connected to the top of rack switches. All right, I think that's all I'll go through for this video. As always, if you still have any questions, just reach out to your project manager and they can get you the help you need. All right, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.